Assalamualaikum friends, hope you guys are doing great. Today in this video I'm going to show how to solve this issue. This copy of Windows is not genuine. So let's get started. At first click on Start button and in this search field write CMD to open command prompt. And now right click here, run as administrator. Over here we need to tell this machine that this copy of Windows is genuine, not ingenuine. So we need to write the code SLMGR space hyphen REARM and we need to press enter. And this message pops up, command completed successfully. Please restart the system for the changes to take effect. If I press OK and restart the computer, this message will go away. But sometimes you might not get this message. Instead, you might get the time limit has expired or something like that. If that happens, what to do? I will show you in this video. It's very simple. Now I press OK and restart my computer. And restart my PC. Alright guys, after restarting the computer we can see the message is no more here. That means the problem is solved. Now let's change the wallpaper. Okay, problem is solved. But sometimes in the command prompt we may get different types of message like error message or time limit has expired. If that happens, we need to make little changes in our register editor to solve that problem. Okay, so let's go and see. Go to Start button. In the search field, right here REGEDIT, and over here right click and run as administrator. Over here Haque local machine, click this arrow and come to software, click this arrow and then find Microsoft. Okay, click this arrow, then find Windows NT. Okay, this one Windows NT. Now click this arrow and current version, click here and find software protection platform. Software protection platform. Click here and over here we can see a bunch of files here. Here double click on skip rearm. Okay, we can see here 0. Now we have to replace 0 with 1. Okay, now you press OK and restart your computer and redo the command prompt coding once again. I showed you earlier in this video, and then restart again. Your problem will be solved. And I'm not going to do this again because my problem already solved. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and like, comment and share this video. Thank you guys for watching.